Vultures were once the unsung heroes of India's ecosystem, cleaning up millions of cattle carcasses each year. But in the 1990s, farmers began using diclofenac, a painkiller that was harmless to cattle but lethal to vultures. In just a decade, 99% of these birds vanished. Suddenly, rotting carcasses littered the countryside, and feral dog populations skyrocketed by 7.2 million. With more dogs came a surge in rabies, leading to 48,000 human deaths between 1993 and 2006. The economic toll? Billions. This collapse shows how vital nature's recycling systems are. When one link breaks, the entire chain falters and chaos ensues.